Hello everyone, it's your girl Shern's. It's Saturday morning runnings Valentine's love bubble. Love is in the air and Saturday morning runnings is bubbling up with romance this Valentine's season. Join us live on Inside the Zone YouTube channel at 10 a.m. as we celebrate the power of love with our newlyweds, Evol and Denise Green. They are ready to spill the beans on how their love story began, and you don't want to miss it. Alongside your fabulous hosts, Shern's, myself, Jacqui, we're inviting you to share your own love stories, whether it's sweet, spicy, or full of surprises. Let's talk love. So set your alarm, grab your morning cup, and tune in for a Valentine's special that will have your heart full and your spirit lifted. Saturday morning runnings are bubble up with love. Come join me now.